Welcome back, guys, with a brand new series of amplifiers. And today we are diving into the fascinating world of electronics, and more specifically, we will be unveiling the mysteries behind the inverting amplifier. Here we have the current circuit of inverting amplifier. So now I know that inverting amplifier might sound a bit intimidating, but fear not. We are here to break it down into bite-sized pieces, make it easy for everyone to understand. First things first, let's take a look at the basic circuit of an inverting amplifier. As you can see on your screen, it typically involves an operational amplifiers and a couple of resistors. So there we have our operational amplifier symbol, and it's connected to two resistors, one in the uh, feedback loop and one in the input here. The 1 kilo ohm resistance is using here we is the input resistors, and here we have the 3 kilo ohm feedback resistors. The magic happens in the feedback loop, turning our input signal into an inverted output. Now let's get hands on and build these circuits on our you can say simulator. I have already designed this for you. uh, so once Now the cool thing about the inverting amplifier is that it takes an input signals and flips it. I will show you the outputs graphs. You can also look at down here, just like looking at it through a mirror. If your input signals goes up, the output goes down, and vice versa. Let me stop this, then you can notice it's in a better way. If you can see here, that's this is the part after that the input signals is started to rise. You can check here, but in the case of output you can check out it's falling down, it's not rising. Similarly, as I move the cursors forward, you can check out the output is totally inverted version of the input signal. Let me start it again. So uh, now as we see that if our input signals goes up, the output goes down, and vice versa. So you can also play around with different resistor values to tweak the amplification factors. It's like tuning your, you can say, favorite musical instrument to get the perfect sounds. And if we talk about the applications, inverting amplifiers are widely used in audio processing, signal conditioning, and you can say many other electronic systems. Understanding how they work opens up a world of possibilities for designing and building your own circuits. And there you have it, folks, the inverting amplifier demystified. I hope this experience helps you grasp the concept better. Do not forget to hit the like button, and if you require any type of assistance in your electrical and electronics projects, assignments, and exams or tweeting, you can ping me a message on my WhatsApp number. And also you can visit my Upwork and Fiverr profiles. The links are given below in the descriptions. Thank you so much for watching the video.